Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use charts in XM app. Charts are the heart of trading. In the XM app, charts show how prices move over time, helping you decide when to buy or sell. At first they may look confusing, but once you understand a few basics you'll be able to read them easily. First, open any of the web browser. In the top there's an address bar, type .xm.com and enter it. Over here click onto this login in the top right corner. Once you get into this interface of XM app, in the left hand side we can find there's an option for the markets. You can select any of this currency pair by simply clicking in one of the currency here, and under this interface up in middle you can find this chart here. Now you'll see the price graph as well. You can understand the candlestick. The green after the price went up and the red candle is the price went down. Each candle shows open start price and the close high end, and many green candles is an uptrend and many red candles are the downtrend. Over here on the bottom that is 1 minute, 1 hour, 1 day. 1 hour or is the short term. For the medium trend, 1 day would be the long term, and beginners should use for this 1 hour for the clearer view as well. You can also zoom or move the chart by simply pinching up to the screen, and that is it. Using charts in XM becomes very easily. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.